Welcome to Netanya at night. Tonight we'll start the beachfront, walk through the Independence Square, continue into the city centre, and as the evening lights bring the city to life. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. No need for a flashlight, Netanya has got that covered. Let's go for a walk. We're beginning tonight's walk high above the Mediterranean Sea on Netanya's famous coastal cliff. Even at sunset, the sea remains a powerful presence stretching into the darkness beyond the shoreline. Below us, stairs lead down towards the beach, connecting the city above the waterfront beneath the cliffs. During the day, these paths are busy with beachgoers and visitors, but at night, the atmosphere feels calmer and more reflective. The light from the city creates a gentle glow along the coastline, while the sound of the waves continue long after the sun has disappeared. Netanya's clifftop promenades offer a very different experience after dark. The daytime crowds have thinned, temperatures are often comfortable, and views take on an entirely different character. Instead of watching the horizon, you're watching the city lights meet the sea. It's a reminder that Mediterranean never really is closer for night. It's just changed shifts.
નિકસું એવું કીધું કે ભવ્ય એવું કે અહીંયા એન્ટ્રીમાં બેસો.
We've now reached one of the liveliest parts of downtown Netanya. Ahead is illuminated I Love Netanya sculpture, a popular landmark that attracts visitors throughout the day and well into the night. Nearby, the large digital screen displays advertisements, public information and local announcements, adding to the energy of the city centre. The cafés, restaurants surrounding the square are busy tonight, with people enjoying dinner, meeting friends, or simply spending time outside pleasant evening air. One of the things that stands out on the Mediterranean city is how much the life takes place outside, especially after the sunset, while the heat of the day has faded. As we walk through the area, we can now see the local artists contributing to the atmosphere. A portrait artist is at work, creating hand-drawn sketches for visitors. Long before smartphones and selfies, this was once a classic way people took home a memory of a special evening. It's a nice reminder that even in a modern city filled with digital screens, some traditions never really go out of style. As we continue beyond the busiest part of the city centre, the atmosphere begins to change. The crowds become smaller, the pace slows, and the city streets take on a more relaxed feel. A pianist is performing nearby, adding a touch of elegance to the evening. Music has a way of transforming a public space. A few moments, it turns an ordinary street into something a little more memorable. Ahead is a decorative street lighting hangs above the roadway, helping to create a warm and inviting atmosphere as we continue our walk. The restaurants and cafe gradually give way to quieter streets, local businesses and residential areas. This is another side of Netanya, less focused on tourism and nightlife. and more connecting to everyday life. As the city settles into the evening, we're able to see how people live, work, move through these streets after busy hours after past. Now even parts of the city needs to be exciting. Sometimes the quieter streets tell the more interesting story. When I travel and film walking tours across Israel, I often connect to public Wi-Fi's in parks, cafes and public places. To keep my connection secure, I use NordVPN. NordVPN helps protect your internet privacy and lets you browse safely wherever you are. If you'd like to try it yourself, scan the QR code on the screen or check the link in the video description below to get a special deal for viewers of Israeli light walks. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's continue our walk. Thank you for joining me on the evening walk through Netanya, from the Mediterranean waterfront on the vibrant city centre and beyond. If you enjoyed the Exploring Netanya After Dark, please like and subscribe and comment below. Your support helps us for future walks and make them very possible. For more daytime and nighttime walking tours, click on the thumbnail appearing on your screen. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, of course, and let's go for a walk another time.